Fold a golden yellow stem in half. Measure 4 centimeters and twist tight. Fold the ends back and forth, twisting to secure. Make 16 petals in total. Take a green pipe cleaner, fold it in half, and measure 5 cm. Fold the ends back and forth, twisting to secure. Trim the ends and leave one tail. Make 4 green sepals. Coil a reddish-brown stem around the rod, then stretch it. Join 3 coils and roll them into a round center. Coil a pale yellow stem around the rod, then stretch it. Make a ring with pale yellow stems. Glue the ring onto the center. Glue 8 petals for the first layer. Add 8 more petals between the first layer. Glue the sepals to the back. Glue the stem to the center back. Wrap with tape and shape the petals.